All right, if you're thinking of getting the money gun, then this is my honest review and opinion of the money gun. It says baller gun on the side. That's actually a sticker. It comes with a bunch of stickers. So there's a few things I like about this. Obviously, it's just a fun little thing just to mess around with. Just for, I don't know, if you want to shoot a music video or do something funny. I think it's just a fun little way to de-stress and yeah, just play around. So basically, there's a few things I like about this. The first thing is that it has this really nice weight to it, has a nice feel to it. And the second thing is it's very easy to use. Like there's literally just one trigger, like you just press this and the money comes out. And the third thing is that it actually, if I just open this, comes with a bunch of fake money. Like they give you a bunch of fake money with it to use, which is nice. And each of the notes says $1 million. Yeah, $1 million. So, let me just show you how it works. So you put those in there, and you just hold the trigger, and sometimes it's haven't used this for a while. Gets a little bit stuck. There we go. Yeah. So one thing to be aware of is it pretty quickly fires all the money. As you saw, that's just a few seconds. It really quickly shoots all the money. You could solve that by just putting more money in there or having different stacks available. And the other thing is the money goes everywhere. You'll be finding these notes everywhere for weeks. They somehow go in, underneath furniture and stuff. But yeah, it's very fun. Overall, if you're looking for, just a fun little toy, a fun money gun, then I highly recommend this money gun.